Hello, it's your girl Vanessa, and I am making my stuffed mushroom cheese chicken breast. And I'm going to start off with my side here. I got cold water going, and I'm going to let that boil off so they can cook throughout. And then I just got some portobello mushrooms with some butter in here. And I'm going to throw a little bit of garlic, and that's kind of like on a good temperature. I'm going to put that on a low medium right now and kind of let that just get a good sear on both sides. And then I'm going to show you how I stuff the chicken. Alright, so with this, you want to first salt and pepper your chicken breast. However you want to season it, it's up to you. I'm just going to do regular salt and pepper. So you're going to put it as flat as you can. And you want this side right here to be the end part. So you want to cut on the thick side. So I'm going to start by pressing it down and then slowly, and make sure you have a sharp knife, and if you haven't sharpened your knife, try to use the sharpest knife you have, and just cut a slit until you're like maybe, I don't even know, a couple centimeters. There you go. The same one with this one. Alright, I'm just going to make a cream sauce really quick to put with the chicken and the mushrooms. A tablespoon of garlic, or sorry, a tablespoon of, butter and a tablespoon of garlic. About 1/4 cup of onion, just a little bit. A little bit of salt and pepper, just a tiny bit. A cup of spinach. This is completely optional. I just love my greens. About a 1/4 cup of cream. A little bit of Parmesan, picking it up. I'm actually going to put this in a put aside, clean the pan up, and then sear the chicken up. But before that, I'm going to stuff it with this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and stuff it now. I got my mixture here. and I am going to stuff it pretty good. Just leave that open. Oh, first I'm going to put some cheese. I have a mixture of cheese and mozzarella in here. Just put a little bit on the bottom, just a little bit. Good size amount. Look how good that looks. Alright you guys, I had to improvise. I had to use barbecue skewers. So what I'm going to do is just stick it from the bottom up. That way they can stay in place. Well, so they can stay in place. Alright, I'm going to take them to the stove and sear them up, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven at 370, well, at 400 for maybe like 7 minutes or until it's fully done. Alright, what I have going here is some butter, about a tablespoon or so, and I got some oil too. I'm just going to take these and slowly throw them on there. Don't be afraid to stuff them in between. It's okay if you get them in a little messy. Once I get a good sear, put that on a medium, between medium and medium high, but watch it for sure. Yep. Thing. You want to do a kind of quick stir, so it's definitely getting a good sear on it. So I'm gonna probably let it go on medium high. I'm just gonna watch it, but I'm gonna put it on a medium high, and then maybe a couple minutes to 3 minutes. I'm gonna flip it over, let it sear on the other side, and let the residual heat in the oven. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Cook the rest of it, because the middle of it is pretty much cooked. The mushrooms and the spinach and the sauce is just I need to melt the cheese pretty much and cook the rest of the meat. Alright, I'm going to flip these bad boys over. Let me get something to do that with. I would grab it from and wiggle it. Remember, it's stuffed, so and it's stuffed with cheese, so oh, look at that. Look at how good that looks. gonna let that go for 1 more minute, and then I'm gonna pop that in the oven. Probably pop that in the oven for about 7 minutes. Alright, so I got some, sorry, I should have told you I was doing it, but I was kind of in a rush. I got some fresh garlic, a little bit of garlic salt, sour cream, butter, and I'm just going to whip this up. I leave the skin on there, mash it up. And you want to do this right away because the potatoes get dry pretty quick. Oh, and I have parsley in there too. Alright. Alright, so that's about the thickness we like. That's about it. I'm going to cover that up, put that off to the side. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Alright, of course you don't forget to take the sticks out. Don't want nobody biting on that. And there you go. The stuffed mushroom chicken right there. Thank you for watching. Peace.